Welcome, friends. Today's video is going to be a game changer for all of you who feel like your past is haunting you. Are negative thoughts from your past holding you back? Well, I have some incredible insights for you. But that's not all. In this video, I will also be revealing how your emotions can actually help you manifest your desires. Yes, you heard that right. Your emotions are a powerful tool in the manifestation process. So, if you're ready to break free from the chains of your past and learn how to harness the power of your emotions, then you're in the right place. Now, let's get to the truth of the matter. You are a master at manifesting, my friend. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. It all starts with the belief that you are a master at manifesting, and that's exactly what we're going to do today. Remember, you have the power to decide what you create in your reality. Your thoughts, words, emotions, and techniques are all working in perfect harmony to bring your desires to life. You are in control. Your past does not define your future. The only thing that matters is the present moment. So let's start using our words wisely. Say it with me. My life is magnificent. Everything works out in my favor. I have an amazing person. Use these descriptive words to program your subconscious mind for success. Now, let's talk about emotions. I know in this community, vibrations are often overlooked, but science has proven that your emotions play a crucial role in creating your reality. So let's embrace it. If you're feeling down, sit in that emotion for a moment. But just for a moment, not for hours or days. Then, imagine yourself shifting into a reality where that emotion propels you towards your manifestations. Use the energy of sadness to fuel positive actions, like taking a walk, having a nap, or even crying. Crying is a beautiful release of pent-up emotions, gifted to us by the divine. And speaking of releasing emotions, I recently came across an incredible book called The Emotion Code. It has helped me release pent-up emotions and clear my thoughts. It has allowed me to see my past in a new light, thanks to revision, as Neville Goddard teaches. Revision allows us to replay past scenes in imagination as they should have been, changing our perception of memories in the present moment. But wait, there's more. Neville's book, The Pruning Shears, has completely transformed my perspective on manifestation. It's a must. Read for anyone on this journey. So, my beautiful souls, get ready to break free from your past, harness the power of your emotions, and manifest your dreams. Stay tuned for the rest of this video as we dive deeper into these life-changing concepts. If you're ready to take your manifestation skills to the next level, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an incredible video like this. Let's get started. Have you ever wondered how to master manifesting with positive vibrations? With the help of Neville Goddard, we can use revision and emotions to redefine our reality. Everyone is a master at manifesting. It's all about deciding what you create in your life and becoming aligned with the things that you desire. Your past does not have a bearing on what will be manifested for your future. Instead, it's all about how you live in the present moment. To begin mastering manifesting with positive vibrations, start by using descriptive words to subconsciously program yourself for the things that you want. Talk openly and positively about yourself as if these desires already exist in your life. Understand vibrations and how they impact what we attract into our lives. Focus on feeling positive emotions so that these energies can flow freely through us. This is a great way to get started on this journey towards creating an amazing future for yourself. Don't be afraid to acknowledge any potential challenges or obstacles that may arise during this journey. Understand them, accept them, and use their energy as fuel to propel yourself forward toward even greater success. Develop an amazing support system around yourself made up of individuals who genuinely believe and support your dreams. Having someone cheering for us gives us strength and encouragement when times get tough. Lastly, Trust the universe. Even when things don't go according to plan, remember there's something better coming down the road just waiting for us. So keep believing in our power, despite whatever doubts or fears come up along the way. In recent years, science has shown that our emotions play a major role in manifesting reality. Instead of being weighed down by negative feelings, we can use them to propel us toward our desired outcomes. One method for achieving this is through crying and revisioning using Neville Goddard's pruning shears. The book The Emotion Code offers advice on effectively and safely crying to release pent-up emotions that we may not even be consciously aware of. Crying immediately releases built-up emotion, making us feel lighter and more in control of our circumstances. Once released, these emotions can be transformed into a more positive vibration, attracting what we truly desire into our lives. Revisioning is another technique that can create tangible change in the present moment, where true transformation occurs. It involves revisiting past experiences and reimagining them as they should have been originally. By determining the meaning of memories in the present moment, we can confidently move forward towards our goals. Neville Goddard's pruning shears provides concise direction for personal growth and transformation of the mind, body, and soul, helping viewers live fully in each passing moment and achieve greater success and well-being. By combining these techniques, crying and revisioning, we gain a deeper understanding of ourselves while utilizing self-improvement strategies such as the law of assumption, law of attraction, visualization techniques, and affirmations. With these tools, we can reach our goals faster than ever before. Have you ever wanted to revise a negative experience or manifest a positive outcome? The Emotional Freedom Technique can help you do just that. AFT, an evidence-based practice, helps individuals reframe their thoughts about the past to improve their present and future. By using EFT, we can rearrange our old memories in a way that benefits us. Revising memories has multiple benefits, such as forgetting negative experiences or transforming arguments with family into moments of love and understanding. Moreover, we can manifest our desires by harnessing the power of thought vibration theory. This theory suggests that the vibrations created by our thoughts can reach even those who are far away. So, if a past situation didn't go well, focusing on what we wanted it to be can result in positive outcomes for all involved. For example, replacing hostility with expressions of love and appreciation during arguments. It is also important to remember that your subconscious mind knows what is best for you. Don't persist towards something without addressing your internal emotional state. This could prevent manifestation from occurring due to negative energy being released into the universe through vibrations of thoughts or emotions. By making an effort to transmute past experiences through revisioning them to fit the desired outcome, along with using F-tapping when needed, you can redefine reality according to what resonates most with your inner self. We have explored the power of Neville Goddard's law of assumption, how to use EFT to revise negative experiences and manifest positive outcomes, and the power of the subconscious mind. Plus, we have discussed the benefits of crying and using Neville's pruning shears for revisioning. By following these steps, everyone has access to the already available tools necessary to become successful manifestors, allowing them to create extraordinary lives filled with abundance, joy, happiness, health, wealth, love, connection, and more. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you found value in the information and techniques shared. Remember, you are a master at manifesting, and your past does not define your future. By using your emotions and revising your memories, you have the power to create the reality you desire. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Stay positive and keep manifesting.